Hey guys, are you ready for the weekend, baby? Are you? That was said a lot of times by one of our fellow YouTuber that doesn't do YouTube anymore, but she would on a Friday, she would always say, "Are you ready for the weekend, baby?" Well, are you? So I started saying that. It wasn't copyrighted or anything like that. So I thought it was so cute, but she quit doing YouTube a long time ago, and some of you know who I'm talking about. I just wanted to get on here today and tell you that, first of all, let me tell you what I did this morning. I didn't have time. I had meetings this morning very early, and I didn't really have time to really do my hair. And I have this Shea Moisture, and it's 100% virgin coconut oil, live, leave-in treatment. And I got it at the Walgreens. I believe it was Walgreens. I got it, but I hope you can read that. Okay, it is great. I have gotten down to about right here, and I thought I had it in my cabinet. Haven't used one. This morning, my hair, I just sprayed it in it and scrunched it. It's a leave-in conditioner, and you're supposed to do it when it's wet or whatever, but it worked for me. So I think you have to try things. Just try things, see if it works for you. What works for me may not work for you, and what works for other people may not work for me. But it has no sulfites, no parabens, no mineral oil, on and on and on, no animal testing. And I had forgotten I had this in here, but I have used it. Like I said, it's right there. So if you've not tried Shea Moisture, um, established in 1912. Wow. Um, that makes me think about something. When you try something, if you haven't tried something and someone else is, sometimes when people say on YouTube, or if it's on the internet, they'll say, you should try this or that and everything, and you try it and it doesn't work, and you get so upset about it. But don't get upset, because like I said, what works for you may not work for someone else, or work for someone else and work for you. So that's just part of, I think, life, in general. um, Life is probably such ups and downs, ups and downs, ups and downs, ups and downs. And I think that we as people have to take everything with a grain of salt. We have no guarantees for tomorrow. You've heard that 1,000 times. But we don't have guarantees. And by doing what makes us happy, makes us that you don't hurt anybody, to sit around and think about the negative, but think about positive stuff in your life, things that you love to do, things you want to do, things that you might do today. Just think of something you want to do, try, that may work for you, and you'll love it. If not, you just don't have to do it anymore, whatever that is. So that's about all I want to say today, if that makes any sense. I hope you guys have a great day, a happy day. I hope you have a great weekend. You be kind, be kinder than they are. When I say that, you know what I mean. If they're not kind, that's okay. You just be kinder than they are. Don't don't take things so personal, and do what you want to do. Try new things, try new foods, try new adventures, try new vacations. Try, don't be scared of the unknown. Just enjoy life to the fullest. You know what I mean? I hope you guys have a great day, a happy day. Be kind, as I said, and don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back, and I am sending you a smile and a hug. Do you feel it? Until tomorrow.